Assalamu alaikum to everyone. And although I have missed the initial thoughts about the education and the ideas by all of you, but in summary, what I have been told, I would say there's a very important thing in life, that the people have to know what they want to do and how they want to do, and the most important part is why they want to do.
Right.
So these three things connect you to make what you want to be. So the question is, when it's very simply said, okay, what you want to do, and
Right.
people say, okay, yaar, ye bache ka shauk hai, ye start doing it. ठीक, and then we start pushing him. That's where we say how it is to be done. Like if you want him to be a sportsman, you start pushing him and you tell him, okay, this is how you should be doing this thing. But the question, the basic idea behind everything is why one should be doing that. And like I'm connecting it to your question, why one should be doing like that. So
Right.
so they, in the higher education, they call it a triple helix thought. The government, the institution, and the private organization combined together to find a solution for getting the right product out of the institution. But
Right.
when this can be also added with the two more things: the society, what the society needs from you, and the most important part is what the individual himself needs from himself.
Right.
We say that the kid is very passionate, but the truth is the passion is known by a person after 20-25 years of doing some work on that. Like someone has so Zarar has given the example of Facebook person, that he was passionate enough to do that. Okay, the passion really came out after lot many years, that he was excited about doing it. And
Right.
the excitement, not the money making, the excitement was to learn more and more and more and to facilitate. So we got to differentiate between the passion and the excitement. The
Right.
passion is when one has all the control, one is contributing freely for something. But
Right.
for the kids and for the young generation, the idea is basically the excitement. Where does the trigger comes in? Why
Right.
he wants to do a thing and wants to get involved in it. So my idea about this education, for we say very easily, what are the options available for the any student in our society.
Right.
When I was young, the option may be available, but the prestige was in only two subjects: the engineering and doctors. As I
Right.
grow older, the options again were available, but the prestige was in MBA. Now today, what do you see? You see that the prestige is in saying the word of generative AI security, cyber security, and data analysis and computer scientist. This is where the prestige is. But the right question is, why everyone wants, why you would like to do that? Would you
Right.
really like to do that? Why Islamiyat is not an important subject for us? Because the prestige is not there.
Right.
So my idea is that unless and until you don't introduce, okay, let me give you an example of one thing. Once I was dealing with the NAST.
Right.
In the NAST, I was talking with the new generation, the new entrant to the university.
Right.
And I posed just one question: okay, why you have joined NAST? The answer was very simple. Okay, sir, we were on merit.
Okay.
And okay, so you were on merit because merit is, standards are set very high, and you fall into different engineerings and all those categories as per merit.
Right.
There is no question of you were excited, you were passionate, you were doing. But the idea behind a student is the prestige,
Right.
the economics connected to the education.
Right.
So everyone is joining because he thinks that by doing a good degree from a reputed university, he will have the prestige and he will be earning like a lot of money. And that's what the target of the education is. So leading to that, I'm sorry I'm taking more time, but this give me another.
یا اب میں ندیم صاحب آپ کی طرف واپس آؤں گا, لیکن بہت ویلڈ پوائنٹ آپ نے ہائی لائٹ کیے.